Hello friends, welcome again on Pharma Learners. In today's tutorial, I will discuss about the Para 4 filing procedure and 180 days exclusivity. Before starting the procedure of Para 4 filing, let me first brief you about the Para 4 filing quickly. So first question is, what the Para 4 certification is. To answer the question, when patent is not expired, and ANDA applicant intend to market its generic version prior to expiration of the patent, ANDA applicant files the application with Para 4 certification. While making Para 4 filing application, ANDA applicant proclaim that either patent is invalid, not infringed, or it is unenforceable. So this is about what the Para 4 filing is. Now let me tell you about the procedure of Para 4 filing. First, the generic company submit the ANDA application to FDA with Para 4 certification. Next step is, the ANDA applicant has to send written notice to patent owner within 20 days of acceptance of filing by FDA. Now, the patent holder may or may not sue the ANDA applicant within 45 days of receiving the notice. Let's assume the first case, that the patent holder does not sue the ANDA applicant, which is generally not happens. In this case, FDA does not hold the ANDA application. FDA will review the application, and either approve or disapprove the ANDA based on the data provided by the applicant. Now let's talk about the second case, which generally happens. If patent holder sued the ANDA applicant. In this case, litigation starts in the court. FDA holds the ANDA application, and will not review the ANDA, for next 30 months. Now it's time to court decision. If court decision comes in favor of ANDA applicant, applicant gets the 180 days exclusivity. But if court decision comes in favor of patent holder, ANDA applicant either has to amend the application with Para 3 certification or can withdraw the application. This was about the procedure of Para 4 certification. Now, let me quickly tell you about the benefits of getting 180 days exclusivity. If a generic company is granted a period of 180 days of exclusive rights to sell their generic product, along with branded drug in the market, the generic company takes the market share from the branded version of the drug by setting the price of their product slightly lower than the branded drugs. The incentives during these 180 days are so huge for the generic company because this is the only generic available in the market. So, this was about the benefits of getting 180 days exclusivity. Now let me tell you about some responsibilities and timelines the ANDA applicant has to intimate to the FDA. Now, all the information the ANDA applicant has to provide the FDA via amendments. First, is the ANDA applicant has to intimate the FDA in writing about providing notice to patent holder immediately upon sending the notice. Second, ANDA applicant has to provide documentation of receipt of notice to FDA within 30 days after receipt of last notice from patent holder. Third, ANDA applicant has to provide documentation of notice of litigation or no suit within 14 days of suit or no suit, that is after 45 days elapsed or soon after litigation began. Now when the court decision comes, ANDA applicant has to provide documentation of court judgment or settlement, whatever it is, to FDA within 14 days of entry. This is all about the responsibilities and timelines. Now let me brief you that from where this paragraph 4 certifications and 180 days exclusivity comes. This concept comes from the Drug Price Competition and Patent Term Restoration Act, which is commonly known as the Hatch-Waxman Act. I have already prepared the details tutorial on this act, where I have discussed about other 3 types of paragraph certifications and about this act also. I have provided the link below, so please watch my other tutorial also. That's all about the Para 4 filing procedure and 180 days exclusivity. Thanks for watching this tutorial. We will meet again next week with one more new topic. If you still not subscribed this channel, please subscribe it, and also hit the bell icon, so that you will get the notification on my all tutorials. Please give thumbs up, if you like this video, and share it with your friends and colleagues. We will be happy, if you share your feedback about this tutorial, in comment box below. Also tell us, on which topic you want to watch the next video. Please comment. Now, it's time to check your knowledge. I am requesting you to read the question carefully and give your answers in comment box below. Your time starts now.